Hey there, my Facebook friends. How you doing? Just taking a moment to shed some good news here. I've been working with Diane, the owner of Yogaholic in Center Moriches, and guess what? I'm going to be doing readings there, and guess what? They're handling all the booking for me. So we just kind of are ironing that out now. I think she said on Monday, she'll have it where you can go right on their website and book me, and they're handling the money and all that stuff, which is kind of cool considering for my entire career I've been doing my own bookings and all of that stuff. It's nice to have a place to read out of. So for spiritual counseling as well as tarot, rather than try and put links, because Facebook has been weird with business links, like not letting them go through. So what I did is I did this. Here I go. Right where there's a witch, there's a way. Yogaholic, 426 Main Street, Center Moriches. Diane, that's Dianec at capital letter C at yogaholic.net. 631-721-6303, and their website is yogaholic.net. So of course, I'm going to be spreading that all around social media as I can, but I figured let me reach out to the people who know me first before we start going into, people who have no idea who the fuck I am. Yeah, isn't that great? I know, I'm so excited. She's great. Diane's great. She's a Taurus. I'm a Virgo. We've had a couple of meetings. We really see eye to eye. Intuitively, it feels really good in the body. It's like, and I'm going to get back into a regular yoga practice there as well. What's great is that we met through a friend of mine from my high school years, Pam Gurman, owner of Fat Cat Papery in Center Moriches, which is upstairs. She owns the building, and Diane rents the space from her. So yeah, it was at Pam's birthday party. She hired me to do readings, and we met. And if you had told me that I would be working in Center Moriches because of someone that I used to hang out with in the 80s and was good friends with, we connected on Facebook. Oh, the divine plan at work. No idea, considering what my career has been through in the past year or so, right? So very excited. Please go check out their website. They have a Facebook page as well. So please like and subscribe. I am doing a tarot party on the 17th of January. It's cool. We're going to add more to the event, more info on there as it gets closer. It really is going to be a party. Like, we're going to have like an hour or so schmooze time, and maybe bring in some drinky poos from a local bar. Like, she's great. Like, we're going to run it up the flagpole and see who salutes. But I'm going to be psyched to be doing open reads, which means everyone's going to be sitting around. I'm going to have a table with my divination systems, and I'm just going to go around the room and read people, just like if you've ever seen like John Edwards do a gallery read, right? The medium. I'm not a medium. I'm a rare. It's the only medium joke I have. So I am just going to read people. So, it's a party atmosphere. It's not like I'm going to read you for filth. Drag out the hidden pain of your soul in front of a room full of strangers. But certainly it'll be a fun night, and we're going to see if it's a regular thing, a tarot party. So please do check them out, yogaholic.net. Check them out on Facebook. Come down if you can on the 17th, because it's going to be my first one there. But in the meantime, if you want to book me for a private reading, Center Moriches is the place, right? And really excited to do that. Cool. So I wanted to keep this quick. I'm going to start the What Do I Need reads for this full moon to new moon next, starting tomorrow. Just a lot of good things moving on. Oh, also they have a location in Riverhead, so we're going to be working on that too. So I'll probably be working in both locations. So yeah, I guess that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to take the rest of the evening off. I'm a Virgo. We never fully have nights off. But I'm really excited for this new chapter in my career that is completely unexpected, synchronistic, divine fingerprints all over it. Let's see what happens. Two earth signs working together. I'm sure it'll be just fine. And it'll be productive. Cool. Check them out. Thank you so much. But for now, my darlings, my Facebook friends at large, I love you all so much, hoping you are having a wonderful holiday season. But for now, my sweethearts, hail, farewell, and blessed be. Bye. Josie. End live video button. Bye.